I need a man wey no dey smoke, wey no dey drink, wey go wait after wedding day. Na that night go we go do ta. If you no fit wait.
So how much does the guy need to have in his account before the guy can date you?
Well, I think for a guy to date me, he has to be like maybe 1 million or
Wow.
Why did you pop your balloon?
It is a Belen na show glass. She go know na Gary I chop.
Yeah, it's a no for me because she will definitely finish all the food in my house.
I'm not surprised. He may be on a very tight budget, so he doesn't want to exceed what he has. Yeah. So I'm not surprised. If he's talking about food, you can see him. Sorry. Can you step forward?
Can you step on?
Can I hold you?
Can you carry me?
No, can I hold you?